Okay, false alarm. We have no time for part 12. Or maybe we have. But let's just see the birds if they are all here. There must be 24 of them. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Huh? Where did the other one go? I think there are all of them, but what are we going to do today? I don't know, but you're standing on me. Oops, sorry, leader. Okay. Oh, now you're standing on me. Oops, sorry. I'm okay, but... Ow. There we go. Oh wait, this is my umbrella. Guys, I will show you my umbrella. This is my... Oh yeah, that's Red Parrot's umbrella. Now, activate. That's my umbrella. Wait, let me off it. There we go. And activate. Owie. Need to keep my umbrella here for a second. Owie. Where's the first aid kit? I have it. Where's the bruise? Right on my head. So I put the bandage. It will be fine in 3 days. Okay, thanks. Okay. But where's my brother? Okay. Okay, now I am going to show you from the up part. There we go, I'm standing. See my umbrella? It has ears. Let's stand on it. Oh, it's too light. Owie. Let's stand here. Ow. Ooh. Okay, it's handling me. Wait, let's... Oh yeah, there. There we go. I'm sitting on my ears. See? Now let me just go here. And let's go. I'm here. And this is the bird city around. Everything is messy. See? Well, I think... Let's go. I want to go to washroom. Me as well. Me too. Me too. Me too. Okay, all of you kids, go to the washroom. What's that noise? What? What's that noise? Cuckoo. Oh, it's one of the abandoned babies. The other kids are going to washroom. Come here, little buddy. That was such a big surprise. How did you come all by yourself? Cuckoo. Anyways, I'm just going to leave you back at your baby city, okay? Okay. I think that's a yes. Let's go. I'll leave you in your baby bird city so that you can be with your others. Okay. You turn cuckoo. Have a baby bird on my wing. Okay. Have this. Okay. How did he come? I just blocked him with the shelter. And how did he skip the door, little buddy? Cuckoo. Oh yeah, I don't know baby language. So how can I speak app? Wah, wah. Oh, okay. Let me put you bandage. Okay. Oh look, there's the rest of the baby flock. You go with them. Oh wait, yeah, and I now remember that you can't walk. Cuckoo. So I will carry you. Hop on. How did you come here, little buddy? Okay. Ooh. Come on, man. Grab my beak. Okay, he's almost going to. Cuckoo. Okay, there. Cuckoo caca. Okay. There's the rest of you. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Yeah, all of the babies. Go with the other babies. Cuckoo. Okay. Cuckoo. They kind of look like the other kids in the bird city. Cuckoo. Ah. Oh. Oh yeah. You thought that we were here to babysit you again, but we are not, little one. Sorry. But we are going to vacation, so let's bring you. Wait, where's my car? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Okay. Beep beep. Oh, there's my car. Let's load you all in. And we will bring you to my vacation. Cuckoo. First starting with you, Blue Cutie Pie. Cuckoo. Climb on me and get in there. Not there. Not on it. Inside it. Oh, he probably doesn't know. Cuckoo. Okay, let me put him in. There. Oh, wait. Gotcha in, little buddy. Okay. Cuckoo. Blue Cutie Pie, don't come out now. We are not here yet. Okay, he's in. Cuckoo. Okay. He's inside. Oh, Orange Cutie Pie. You're here. Cuckoo. Let me put you on it. Cuckoo. Oh yeah, you're crawling on it, so I don't have to. Okay. Now. Oh, Peacocky. You're there. Cuckoo. Nice to meet you too. Okay, go. Okay. Bandit. Okay. Let's give you the, what's the thing? I forgot what it's called, but here. Okay. And what about? Oh yeah. Rainbow Cutie Pie. Okay, it's it. Yeah, it's Cutie Pie. Hello Cutie Pie, come on, let's go. Cuckoo. Gaga. Okay. I got all of them, right? Oh, wait. No, I don't know. We got 4. I think that's all of them. Go. Oh, wait. There's one more. That's Penguin Cutie Pie. Okay. Go on. Go. Okay, now let's drive these guys to home. All of them are here. Go. Okay, let's go. Oh, Darsh, you're here. Yeah, I've got all the babies. See? Go. Okay, what about me? Yeah, okay. I'll not forget about you, Flamingo. Okay, as I was saying, let's get you all home. The babies. That's the baby. Oh no! Wah! Oh no, I dropped Peacocky. It's okay, little buddy. Everything just will be fine. Wait. Okay, Newton. We're here to the bird city. There's the umbrella. And here they are. Go. Oh, why did you brought the babies with you? Go. We brought them because we will go to vacation. So who will take care of these little babies? So we brought them. Go. There are they. And there's one more. Go. That's all of the babies. Go. Okay, see you, birds. Bye. Go. Let's go. There's home. Are they? Okay, now time to end the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. Bye guys. I'm babysitting out of here.